Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TORCHSTAR, and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated ambient lights. You might not think much about ambient lighting because we usually just flip a switch to turn it on, but the light has to come from somewhere. Even though natural light coming in through window is great, it isn't always enough, especially when it gets dark inside. This is why ambient lighting is definitely worth considering. It gives us the amount of light we need to do our daily indoor tasks. And since it's important, why not put in some extra effort to make yours stand out? There are a lot of different options out there, but in this video, we chose 7 of the best ambient lights that not only give off light but also make a statement. The team at TORCHSTAR have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the ambient lights that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TORCHSTAR for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first ambient light on our list is the Ensenior LED Recessed Ceiling Light with Junction Box Ambient Light. The canless LED recessed light is IC rated, which means the junction box is thermally shielded and can be in touch with ceiling insulation. It simply requires 2 inch ceiling spacing and fits a variety of ceilings and joists. In terms of size, it measures 6.69 by 6.69 by 0.43 inches and weighs 5.99 pounds. TORCHSTAR has awarded the Ensenior LED Recessed Ceiling Light with Junction Box Ambient Light a 5-patch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. 6-inch slim lights. The 6-inch slim lights use the new generation of LED chips with higher lumens and lower power. 1050 lumens. It produces 1050 lumens while using only 12 watts, which is equivalent to a 110-watt incandescent bulb, saving you up to 88% on energy expenditures. Easy to install. The installation is easy and takes only a few minutes. Frosted LED lens. It sports a frosted LED lens that is scratch-resistant and anti-glare. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is mixing up the junction boxes with lights of different inches might cause an unlit or flickering issue. The second ambient light on our list is the TORCHSTAR Basic Series 12-pack LED Recessed Ambient Light. The TORCHSTAR Basic Series is intended to provide high-quality recessed lighting and ideal illumination in every room of the house. It's colorful and versatile, and it'll readily go with any home's design. As for the size, it measures 6.85 by 6.85 by 0.47 inches and weighs 14.41 pounds. TORCHSTAR has awarded the TORCHSTAR Basic Series 12-pack LED Recessed Ambient Light a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. High brightness. It has high brightness and only requires 2 inches of clearance, making it ideal for a tight ceiling where a housing wouldn't fit. 12 watts of power. This Energy Star certified slim light uses only 12 watts of power while generating 1000 lumens of brightness, which is equivalent to a 100-watt incandescent lamp. IC rated light. Its IC rated light is permitted to be in contact with the insulation on ceilings. Well-constructed snap springs. The recessed light quickly attaches to the ceiling with its well-constructed snap springs. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the cable that connects to the junction box to the light is quite short. The third ambient light on our list is the JOOFO Floor Lamps Tall Standing Pole Ambient Light. The JOOFO floor lamps include a stepless brightness adjustment and 3 color temperature settings for warm white, natural white, and cool white light, ranging from 3000 to 5000 Kelvin. It saves your preferences between uses and when power is lost. In terms of size, it measures 12.2 by 4.33 by 32.68 inches and weighs 9.83 pounds. TORCHSTAR has awarded the JOOFO Floor Lamps Tall Standing Pole Ambient Light a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Weighted base and sturdy design. It has a weighted base and a sturdy design that makes it wobble-free and safe to have around children and pets. Illuminated surface. The illuminated surface can be rotated 360 degrees and tilted to any angle between straight up and nearly parallel to the floor. Lower maintenance and replacement costs. It has a lifetime of up to 100,000 hours at the right current and voltage, which means lower maintenance and replacement costs, totally saving money and energy. Remote control. You can effortlessly control the floor lamp with the remote control without leaving your comfortable sofa or warm bed. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is The base is quite heavy. The fourth ambient light on our list is the Addlon LED Modern Shelf Floor Lamp with ambient light. This white lampshade is composed of high-quality materials which allow the light to turn milky white. The light from the unit radiates a cozy feeling that creates a warm and inviting ambience at night. As for the size, it measures 10 by 10 by 59.84 inches and weighs 12.78 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Addlon LED Modern Shelf Floor Lamp with ambient light a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. High-density fiber material. It is made of high-density fiber material and can hold up to 50 pounds. One 3000 Kelvin LED bulb. One 3000 Kelvin LED bulb is included in the shelf light with a 50,000-hour service life. Pull chain switch. It has a pull chain switch that has been tested to ensure that it can function normally after more than 10,000 pulls. 4 layers. This floor lamp has 4 layers on which you can place plants and photo frames. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the instructions come with only pictures, but there is a link to a video and how to put it together. The fifth ambient light on our list is the Linea Modern Black Pendant Ambient Light. The ephemero mid-size modern glass hanging pendant light fixture creates a strong design statement in the Linea Modern Black Pendant Ambient Light. We would also like to note that there is no visible wiring and the shade is made of clear glass that gives off a premium feel. In terms of size, it measures 15.9 by 8.9 by 7.8 inches and weighs 3.31 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Linea Modern Black Pendant Ambient Light a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. UL listing. The UL listing ensures the safety, performance, and energy efficiency of this black pendant kitchen island light. Threaded rods and a tilting swivel canopy. It has threaded rods and a tilting swivel canopy for simple installation with no exposed wiring for flat, vaulted, or sloped ceilings up to 11 inches high. 5 hard stems. The ambient light includes 5 hard stems in assorted lengths for a variety of hanging heights. Works with most bulbs. It is compatible with smart bulbs or most medium-based bulbs up to 60 watts. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the base of the light fixture will not cover the tabs on the remodel electrical box. The sixth ambient light on our list is the Design House Industrial Farmhouse Indoor Ambient Light. The Design House Industrial Farmhouse Indoor Ambient Light has a modern design with a metal shade and a galvanized steel finish. It offers a modern touch to your house or business and can be used for industrial dining room or kitchen lighting. As for the size, it measures 9.05 by 9.05 by 46.45 inches and weighs 2 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Design House Industrial Farmhouse Indoor Ambient Light a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Base. The base is firmly attached to the ceiling to prevent movement. Electrical box hardware. It comes with electrical box hardware, making installation a breeze. Compatible dimmer switch. You can change the brightness of the light using the compatible dimmer switch. ETL listing. It has an ETL listing for use in dry environments. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the dimmer switch is not included in the package. The seventh ambient light on our list is the DLLT Flush Mount Spotlight Ceiling Ambient Light. The DLLT Flush Mount Spotlight Ceiling Ambient Light is ideal for highlighting an art wall or simply providing ambient lighting in a living environment. It has an 85 color rendering index, which means the objects around it are rendered in more true color. In terms of size, it measures 17.44 by 5.94 by 5.39 inches and weighs 2.7 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DLLT Flush Mount Spotlight Ceiling Ambient Light a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. 2 swing arms with adjustable lights. You can aim light where you need it most with the 2 swing arms with adjustable lights. All mounting hardware and a canopy mounting plate. It includes all mounting hardware and a canopy mounting plate for quick and easy installation. One 15.35-inch flexible rail. The one 15.35-inch flexible rail can be used together or end-to-end to create a variety of lighting patterns. 4 independently adjustable track heads. It includes 4 independently adjustable track heads, providing directional lighting that can be focused on different places. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there is no large base to cover the outlet. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated ambient lights, which got our team at TRUSTEDShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next ambient light roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.